Stop. Before you continue, answer this question. Which sentence is correct? A. She drink tea every day. B. She drinks tea every day. If you're not 100% sure, then this lesson is exactly what you need. Today, you'll learn present simple tense in the easiest way possible, with simple rules, daily use sentences, and speaking practice. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use present simple tense naturally and confidently. Let's get started. And don't miss the practice challenge at the end of this lesson. Hi, I'm your English coach from BBC English Online. Today, we're learning present simple tense with easy examples and question-answer practice. This lesson is perfect for beginners, students, and spoken English learners. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BBC English Online, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new English lesson. Today's topic is present simple tense. What is present simple tense? Present simple tense is used for daily habits. It is used for things we do regularly. It is used for facts that are always true. For example, I drink tea every morning. The sun rises in the east. She goes to school every day. These sentences use present simple tense. This tense is very important. We use it every day in English speaking. So, let's learn it step by step. Present simple tense has 4 main uses. Use 1. Daily habits and routines. We use present simple tense for things we do every day. Use 2. General facts and truths. We use present simple tense for facts that are always true. Use 3. Permanent situations. We use present simple tense for things that do not change. Use 4. Schedules and timetables. We use present simple tense for fixed schedules. Use 1. Daily habits and routines. We use present simple tense for things we do every day. I wake up at 6 o'clock. He brushes his teeth every morning. She drinks coffee every day. We go to school every day. They eat dinner at night. Use 2. General facts and truths. We use present simple tense for facts that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees. Dogs eat meat. Birds fly in the sky. The earth moves around the sun. Use 3. Permanent situations. We use present simple tense for things that do not change. I live in Delhi. She works at a bank. He teaches English. My father owns a shop. We study at a college. Use 4. Schedules and timetables. We use present simple tense for fixed schedules. The bus leaves at 8 o'clock. The train arrives at 5 p.m. School starts at 9 a.m. The shop opens at 10 o'clock. The match starts at 7 p.m. Now let's learn the sentence structure. Positive sentences. Subject plus verb plus object. I eat rice. You drink water. We play cricket. They watch TV. Important rule. When the subject is he, she, or it, add s or es to the verb. He eats rice. She drinks water. It runs fast. He works hard. She teaches English. Negative sentences. Subject plus do not / does not plus verb, base form. I do not eat meat. You do not work here. We do not play football. He does not drink coffee. She does not go to school. Short form. I don't eat meat. He doesn't drink coffee. She doesn't go to school. Question sentences. Do / does plus subject plus verb, base form? Do you eat rice? Do they play cricket? Does he work here? Does she speak English? Does it run fast? Now let's look at easy daily use examples. I go to school every day. She drinks tea every morning. He works at a hospital. We eat lunch at 1 o'clock. They play football after school. My mother cooks food every day. My father reads the newspaper every morning. She teaches English at a school. He drives a bus. We speak Hindi at home. The shop opens at 9 a.m. The train leaves at 7 p.m. Dogs bark at night. The baby sleeps after eating. She does not like cold water. He does not go to the gym. We do not eat fish. Do you speak English? Does he know the answer? Does she live near here? Now let's practice questions and answers. I will ask a question. You answer it. Question: Do you drink tea? Answer: Yes, I drink tea every morning. Question: Does she go to school? Answer: Yes, she goes to school every day. Question: Do they play cricket? Answer: Yes, they play cricket in the evening. Question: Does he work here? Answer: Yes, he works here. Question: Do you eat rice? Answer: Yes, I eat rice every day. Question: Does your mother cook food? Answer: Yes, my mother cooks food every day. Question: Does the bus leave at 8? Answer: Yes, the bus leaves at 8 o'clock. Question: Do you speak English? Answer: Yes, I speak a little English. Question: Does she like tea or coffee? Answer: She likes tea. Question: Do your friends live near you? Answer: Yes, my friends live near me. Question: Does he drive a car? Answer: Yes, he drives a car. Question: Do you watch TV at night? Answer: Yes, I watch TV at night. Question: Does it rain a lot here? Answer: Yes, it rains a lot in July. Question: Do you go to the gym? Answer: No, I do not go to the gym. Question: Does she speak Hindi? Answer: Yes, she speaks Hindi very well. Question: Do you like English grammar? Answer: Yes, I like English grammar. Question: Does your father work in an office? Answer: Yes, my father works in an office. Question: Do they eat lunch together? Answer: Yes, they eat lunch together every day. Question: Does the school start at 9 a.m.? Answer: Yes, the school starts at 9 a.m. Question: Do you understand present simple tense now? Answer: Yes, I understand it now. Now let's look at common mistakes. Mistake 1, forgetting s or es with he, she, it. Wrong, she drink tea every day. Correct, she drinks tea every day. Wrong, he go to school. Correct, he goes to school. Wrong, it run fast. Correct, it runs fast. Mistake 2, using does with I, you, we, they. Wrong, does I go to school? Correct, do I go to school? Wrong, does we eat rice? Correct, do we eat rice? Mistake 3, adding s to verb after does not. Wrong, she doesn't drinks coffee. Correct, she doesn't drink coffee. Wrong, he doesn't goes to school. Correct, he doesn't go to school. Remember, after do not and does not, always use the base form of the verb. No s, no es, no ing. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Say each sentence clearly and loudly. I drink tea. She drinks tea. He goes to school. We play cricket. They watch TV. Good job. Now repeat the negative sentences. I do not eat meat. She does not drink cold water. He does not go to school on Sunday. We do not play football every day. They do not watch TV in the morning. Excellent. Now repeat the question sentences. Do you drink tea? Does she go to school? Does he work here? Do they live here? Does it rain every day? Very good. You are doing great. Practice these sentences every day. Now let's do a final practice. I will give you sentences. You say them in present simple tense. Number 1. She drink tea every day. She drinks tea every day. Number 2. He not go to the gym. He does not go to the gym. Number 3. Do they speak English? Do they speak English? Number 4. My mother cook food every morning. My mother cooks food every morning. Number 5. The train leave at p.m. The train leaves at 7 p.m. Number 6. I not eat fish. I do not eat fish. Number 7. Does she live near here? Does she live near here? Number 8. We study English every day. We study English every day. Number 9. He teach English at school. He teaches English at school. Number 10. Do you understand this lesson? Do you understand this lesson? Excellent work. You are learning present simple tense very well. So today we learned present simple tense. We learned 4 uses. We learned positive, negative, and question sentences. We practiced daily use examples and questions and answers. We also corrected common mistakes. Now practice these sentences every day. Read them again and again. Speak slowly. Repeat loudly. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Thanks for watching BBC English Online. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence.